Good morning, and I'm set to travel back to India. And yes, all gloves and everything. Very soon I'll be putting on the mask. The flight is at 10:40, but we will have to report at 6 in the morning. So now it is just 4:45, and at 5 o'clock we'll be starting from here. I'm traveling from Muscat to Kannur, and yes, so I'll be shooting as and when I can and when I'm permitted to do so. So, yes, let's start with the journey. So, yes, I'm outside my apartment, and while I'm waiting for the person to drop me, who's supposed to drop me to the airport, to come, meantime, I just thought that this is the luggage, and I wanted to show you something very beautiful. I don't know whether I'll be able to capture it as beautiful as it looks. Okay, and so this is what I want to show. These beautiful mountains. Okay, so then yes, so as soon as we start from here, again I'll be recording. I don't know whether you will be able to hear me, but yes, we reached the airport and we checked in. They were very strict about even 1 kg of extra weight in the baggage, and they were very strict about it, and many had to pay a fine for over the weight of their baggage. And now everything is okay. We are about to get into the flight. These kind of shields are compulsory if we have to get into the flight. So we'll have to wear this, and it is compulsory. Otherwise, you'll not be able to board the flight. And yes, in a few minutes we'll be inside the flight. We were provided refreshments and safety kits along with sanitizers and masks and shields like this. And yes, we are ready to board. So it is dark by the time all the formalities in the airport was completed, and now I have taken a prepaid taxi. Though I belong to Kannur, my husband is from Kannur, but still nobody has come to pick me up because it is advised that we travel alone, and there is nobody accompanying me except for the driver. And there is a fiber sheet here, if you can see it. There's a fiber sheet separating me and the driver, and we are heading towards a paid quarantine that I have opted for, and not going to my home because my daughter is below 10 years of age, and so that is not advised, and my neighbors are around 60 years of age, so it is not advised that I go there directly. And I'll be going to my place, to the paid quarantine where I'm supposed to be there for the next 14 days at least, and then I'll be tested, and then according to that only the rest of the procedure will happen. What happened in the airport after we got out from the plane is that the thermal checking was done. We had to fill up at least 2 or 3 forms, and that was with regard to the health department was doing it, and there was a briefing about what is the importance of quarantine and why should we quarantine ourselves, and how should we maintain social distance and the importance of maintaining social distance at these times. And then after that all the clearance was done, and we had to remove all that gear that was that we had put during the journey, and we removed it, and it was disposed properly. We were given bags where we had to dispose it and leave it there and come, and that's it almost, and then we were sanitizing ourselves most of the times, and okay, so then the rest from the room. Hello all. I was not able to reach the place on time, and because it was too late and I could not shoot afterwards. So I was waiting for a day without the rain, since it's been raining a lot in Kerala, especially in Kannur. And I reached, and immediately after I reached, I started getting calls from the police department, and I was supposed to report to them if there is any problem, any health issue that I face. And they passed on the my number to the health department, and from there also I started receiving calls. So I just wanted to show you the place where I stay. That is my room on the this is the room that I stay, and this is the place where I would be staying for the next 14 days. Now the thing is that I can go back home, but since my daughter is below 10 and my neighbors are above 60, I have opted for paid quarantine. The thing, uh, the expenses here is different for different resorts, and it depends on the room and the facilities that you get. Okay, so that is one thing about the stay. And irrespective of wherever you stay, there will be calls coming in to see whether you are okay with the accommodation. If your health is okay, they wouldn't mind the accommodation, but they would definitely see whether you are healthy, whether you have any health issues. And that's it. And now, maybe on the day when I travel back, and if I don't have any symptoms, I wouldn't be tested then, because asymptomatic, according to WHO, asymptomatic people do not have a chance of transmitting the disease. So there is no point in probably testing me if I don't develop any symptom. So that's it. And maybe the next video would be on the 14th day when I go home and meet my children. Hello viewers, so today is the 15th day here and I'm going home. I have completed the period of 14 days in paid quarantine and I'm leaving for home. Fortunately, the swab test results were not positive, so I'm able to go back home. There were police officials coming here, and when we had mentioned that we'll be going back home, they were okay with it, and we have to inform the corona cell before we leave. We have to give our addresses where we are going to, and there the rest of the 14 days I'll have to be at home quarantine. That is the entire period. 28 days is the entire period, so I'll be at home and I'm not supposed to leave home for 14 days. So today we'll be traveling back, and there's nothing else particular that happened here, except for certain times there used to be police officials coming and checking whether I'm here or whether I've left the place. They also mentioned that they keep calling the authorities here at the resort to find out whether we are still there. Yes, so that's it, and see you on the way back. Bye. So right now I am here in Kannur hospital. I have been brought here for a swab test because I have some throat irritation, and as soon as I reported, I was told that I have to be ready for a swab test. And now I am here, I am waiting for the swab test to be done, and it is the 10th day of my quarantine, and now I have developed a symptom, but the swab test has to be done and only then it will be finalized. So the ones who were taking care of me, they have gone for having lunch, so I was not able to show you them. But yes, we have started for home, and there are a few things which I want to be clear about. So one of them was him who was taking care of me, that is Nasir Kai here, and there are a few things that I want to tell. Firstly, because I had traveled in the flight with the PPE kit and the uniform or the precautionary attire that we were supposed to put on. Because of that, it has been a big blessing for us, so that even if there were cases who were positive in the flight, but yes, we have all been able to protect ourselves from the virus just because of that. So if there is a chance for you to wear the PPE when you are starting from your from the from the source of travel to your destination, please ensure that you put it on. It is our responsibility to be safe. Don't wait for somebody else to remind you to use the sanitizer. Keep using the sanitizer every half an hour, even if you have not touched any place. And as in when I remember things, I will let you know. And yes, so it's journey home.